everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I've decorated my Butlers Pantry area for Halloween. This little area is just off our kitchen, so our kitchen's here, and we have this little nook around the corner here that we pretty much have all our breakfast stuff, so tea, coffee, kettle, toaster, and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, anything to do with making breakfast is in this area here. So I'll take you and show you how we've decorated for Halloween. I just absolutely love decorating this area of the house. I don't know why, but it ends up being the most decorated part of my house. I just love it. So I'll give you a little overview first, and then I'll go into detail and show you everything. God, I hope it's focusing properly. So starting on here, we have one of my little DIY potted plants with a black rose and some black fake grass. I have an orange plaid tea towel back there, and then we've got some Halloween napkins and that little jar we use just for our used coffee pods. Then along here we have one of my Target pumpkins, and again I've just painted that frame black. That was a frame from the reject shop that used to be white, so I've just painted it black and printed off a cute little image from the internet and used that in there. Nothing particularly Halloweeny here. Then we just have a little foam cutout, which I think was from Spotlight. I'm not sure now. It was either Spotlight or the reject shop. I actually think it was a reject shop. I think it was about $3. It's just a little foam picture thing. And then some more little Halloween napkins there. And then that's just my tea kettle and toaster. Then up on the top shelf, or up on the middle shelf, we've just got nothing really Halloween apart from that piece of that garden fencing again, which is just a nice spooky backdrop. I have a pumpkin here, which I think was from the reject shop. And then over here, I've got a couple of cupcake stands. One I've filled with some of that fake webbing stuff and spiders. And the other one, again, a bit more webbing stuff with a little pumpkin and some spiders in it. And then two more of those little eBay pumpkins as well. Then on this section, I've just got some Halloween paper plates sitting up there, mainly just for the pop of orange. And then on this side, I have my Hocus Pocus tray, which was another DIY. And in front of that were my black and white striped vases, which again were another DIY. And then we've just got our tea basket. Then up on the top shelf, I just have a couple of lolly jars with some skeletons and some spiders and a glittery skull sitting in there. And those baskets, there's nothing in those, mainly just for display. And then that's my chandelier that's always there, or not chandelier, candelabra that's always there. And then I've just added a spooky looking branch again, because there's nothing more Halloween than a spooky looking branch, is there? It just screams Halloween. And that big vase, big jug with the flowers and owl is always there. And then that sign, that's always there. That was from one of the, like a reject shop or dollar store shop ages and ages ago. And on my little tiered stand here, I've just put a black rose, a burgundy rose next to the glittery skull, and then up the top another rose with a small skeleton sitting on top as well. So that's my Butlers Pantry. In my actual food pantry, I haven't done any decorations at all because it's just really for storing food. But yeah, so that's my Butlers Pantry, all decorated for Halloween 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you.
and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.